In just 2 days, the Gaza Aid Flotilla could reach Gaza, unless something serious happens first. The Gaza Aid Flotilla is still moving forward, and now Europe's navies are caught in the middle. The global Sumud Flotilla has left Greek waters and is going east toward Gaza, even after many warnings from Israel. On board, climate activist Greta Thunberg said she is not afraid of Israel and promised the ship will not turn back. Italy has said it will send only 1 Navy ship, not 2, and it will not escort the flotilla, a softer move than people expected. Greece has promised safe travel inside its waters because Greek citizens are also on board. But the biggest change is from Spain. Spain's prime minister said a warship will go with the flotilla for protection after recent drone attacks. He called it a strictly humanitarian mission, and Spain's foreign minister said the flotilla is no threat to anyone, even Israel. Now Italy is stepping back, Spain is stepping up, and Israel says it will stop the flotilla. The Mediterranean Sea is now the center of a very tense situation. If nothing stops them, in just 2 days the flotilla will be at Gaza's shore. But will it be allowed to arrive, or will a fight start first? Do you think the flotilla will reach Gaza, or will conflict start first?